Hello everyone, today we're going to be making veggie garden bugs. This recipe was created by the culinary students at Rouse High School in Leander ISD. My name is Hansika and I'll be showing you how to make the snack. First, we're going to make the ranch. Take a half cup of non-fat yogurt and 2 teaspoons of ranch dip and mix it together. Okay, now that's done, let's move on to making a snack. Take a cut of celery, spread ranch in between, take a slice of cucumber, stick it in between, and you have a snail. Right, there you go. Next, take 2 rounds of green beans, and those will be your eyes for the snail. All right, next we're going to make a dragonfly. So you're gonna need 1 green bean, 4 baby carrots that are cut in half. Arrange those as the wings. And then take 2 more rounds of green beans as the eyes. And then you have your veggie garden bugs.